ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਰਜ਼ੇ ਦੇ ਬੋਝ ਹੇਠ ਦੱਬੇ ਹੋ? ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਕੀ ਕਰੋ?
ਫਾਈਨੈਂਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਮਾੜਾ ਅਸਰ ਪਾ ਸਕਦੀਆਂ ਹਨ। ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਲ 'ਚ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਦਦ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕਰਜ਼ੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਘਟਾ ਕੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਰਕਮ ਨੂੰ ਇੰਟਰਸਟ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਕਿਸ਼ਤਾਂ 'ਚ ਬਦਲ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਰਜ਼ੇ ਤੋਂ ਮੁਕਤ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਨਵੀਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਜੀਣ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਦਦ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
1866-790-8984 ਬਿਜ਼ਨਸ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨਜ਼, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਥੀ।
ਆਸਾ ਕੀ ਵਾਰ ਦੀ ਬੜੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਸ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਸਿੱਖੀਜ਼ਮ ਵਿੱਚ, ਅਤੇ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਭਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਿ ਆਸਾ ਕੀ ਵਾਰ ਦਾ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਉसी ਨੂੰ ਮੁੱਖ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਰ ਹਫਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਸਾ ਕੀ ਵਾਰ ਦੀ ਵਿਆਖਿਆ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਸ ਦਾ ਮੁੱਖ ਉਦੇਸ਼ ਇਹੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਯੰਗਸਟਰਸ ਤੱਕ ਇਹ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਸਕੇ। ਇੱਕ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਵੇ ਆਫ ਲਾਈਫ ਹੈ ਆਸਾ ਕੀ ਵਾਰ, ਬਲਕਿ ਸਾਰੀ ਕੁਰਬਾਨੀ ਹੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਉਪਦੇਸ਼ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਚੰਗੇ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਬਣੀਏ। ਅਤੇ ਇਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਝੰਜਟਾਂ 'ਚ ਪੈ ਗਏ, ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਰਮ ਕਾਂਡਾਂ 'ਚ ਪੈ ਗਏ। ਵੈਲ, ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਰਿਚੁਅਲਸ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਹੈ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਐਮਫਸਿਸ ਰਹਿ ਜਾਏ ਰਿਚੁਅਲਸ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਤੇ ਜੋ ਐਸੈਂਸ ਹੈ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮਸ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਅਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਇਹੀ ਕੁਝ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਮਾਜ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੋ ਕੁਝ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਰਿਜ਼ਲਟਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਨੇ। ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਮੁੱਖ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਹਰਬੰਸ ਸਿੰਘ ਕੰਡੋਲਾ ਹਰ ਹਫਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਰਿਸਰਚ ਕਰਕੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਵੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਏ ਉਹ ਐਵੀਡੈਂਸ ਬੇਸਡ ਹੋਵੇ ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡੀ ਇਨਵੋਲਵਮੈਂਟ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ ਸਕੇ ਅਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਮਝ ਸਕੀਏ ਬੜੇ ਲੇਮੈਨ ਟਰਮਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ ਕੀ ਮਕਸਦ ਕੀ ਸੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਲਿਖਣ ਦਾ। ਜੇਕਰ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਹੀ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਲਾਈਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਪੂਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ। ਅਤੇ ਇਸੀ ਕਾਰਨ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਵੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਆ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ 1430 ਅੰਗ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਸਮਝਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਨ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ। ਕੁਝ ਅੰਗਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ, ਕੁਝ ਤੁਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜੇਕਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਪੀਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਜਾਈਏ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਹੋ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ। ਸੋ ਲੈਟਸ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਵਿਦ ਆਰ ਡਿਸਕਸ਼ਨ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਆਸਾ ਕੀ ਵਾਰ ਐਂਡ ਲੈਟਸ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਹਰਬੰਸ ਸਿੰਘ ਕੰਡੋਲਾ, ਵਾਟ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਟੈਲਸ ਅਸ ਇਨ ਆਸਾ ਕੀ ਵਾਰ। ਜੈ ਅਨੂ ਜੀ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
Harpreet ji, last episode we are trying to understand the concept of hukum pana, the will of God,
ji,
which we mentioned in the last episode that has a huge implications in our daily life. And that's why Guru says chinta ta ki kijiye
jo anhoni hoye. Right, because there is nothing which is anhoni.
We given examples before and we will give examples here ke anhoni hundi nahi. When we grasp that concept,
ji,
then the life flow continues.
Very right.
Things happen, the flow of life continues.
Right.
It's difficult. I was talking to my daughter this morning. She says, Dad, it's very difficult to follow. I says, yes.
Yeah.
And we agreed that we have to work on this.
Absolutely.
Work on that. Convince ourselves, hey, I want to live a peaceful, happy life.
Right.
And continue work on this. And that will register in
Very
our consciousness.
Right.
The Guru says, listen, man, everything in this universe operate according to a nizam, a system. Everything. There's no exceptions ever happen in this system.
Ji.
No violation ever happen in the operation of the laws of nature. And Guru Nanak was the only theologian, Harpreet ji, who preached this doctrine this way, which I mentioned has a huge implications. In fact, all the inspirational speakers like Deepak Chopra talk about this,
right,
living in the present.
Right.
But we never understand Bani in that context.
Very right.
We understand Gurbani in worthless ritual, religious practices.
Right.
But we never understand Bani in this context.
That's
exactly what Guru is saying.
That's very right. And I was reading somewhere that somebody has written that you have got pearls of wisdom, but you have just covered it with a cloth and just kept it.
Exactly.
And you just bow before it, but you're not following it.
Exactly.
Whereas that gentleman says that this is the religion of the 21st century.
Absolutely.
Pearl, his name is Pearl something, and he talks about this, that you have so many, virtues which are incorporated in Guru Granth Sahib. Why don't you follow it? Why you have just confined it to the Gurdwara, and there you just go and spend some time and feel you have done your religious duty?
We never have these discussions there.
Right.
We don't have these discussions, which should be there.
Right.
These discussions should happen in the Gurdwara.
Absolutely.
If for example, the laws of, there's never a violations of the laws of nature.
Ji.
The Guru says, if the whole world, as we said, the pray that the sun rises late tomorrow, it's not going to.
It won't happen.
It would not happen. Take another example. A couple can pray for 9 months
Ji.
that our newborn should be a boy. But if it is a girl at the time of pregnancy,
Right.
that's not going to change.
That's right.
it's not going to turn into a boy. No matter how many prayers you do that, that's a law of nature. And that will not change. If you eat poison, Guru says, no matter how much you pray, you're going to die.
Right.
That's the law of nature. Just collect that if when we do bad things, when we do evil actions, we face consequences. There's no runaway. As we, you know, har divano kithe jaya. Surrender to the Guru says, surrender to the Nijam and learn to live in the present. Do not resist the truth. In this slok, Guru saying, and this is also very important, that Guru says, Vek Bidan Raha Bismad. Everything work according to a system, Nijam, laws of nature. In this slok and the next slok, Nanak is saying, Hukme andar sabko, bahar hukum na koi. We need to understand this concept. Now, I did a lot of, I think for this slok, it took me about 3 or 4 hours to get the message. What is Guru says? Then I said, we need to understand the word of Bismad. You know,
what does this basically mean?
What is Bismad? We had read the slok, Bismad Nath, Bismad Ved. And it, Ape Reha Samai. So I had to understand what is Bismad means. This is Ape Reha Samai, so Bismad Paya. God is omnipresent, Guru says. And everything happens according to a system. God is omnipresent. So Bismad Paya. Oh God, you are immersed in the whole universe. We will talk about what it means God is immersed in the whole universe. Dekh achraj rahe Bismad. Ek achraj eko soi. Again, Nanak is talking about omnipresence of God. In other words, Guru is saying that everything in this universe works according to a hukum raja pana, called will of God. That means immersed up. When we say the God is in the whole universe, that means everything in the universe operate according to the laws of nature.
That's right.
That's the meaning, the presence of God everywhere. Sage Guru says, joy, bliss, peace, happiness is possible in life by surrendering to the will of God, by learning how to live according to the hukum. Resistance to the hukum, the will of God, is the cause of pain and suffering, fear, anxiety, worry, stress and depression. Dukhan kleshan da karan udo hi banda hai jadon assi we try to resist the laws of nature. We go against the pana. When we, the girl, we wanted a boy. That's a violation of the laws of nature. That's not going to happen. So that's the concept I think we
That's very true what you have said. See, even science today has proved that it depends upon the chromosomes, what you're having, X, Y, if it is XX or XY or YY. So again, that's an important point. And when you talk about the omnipresence of God, if this concept, Sardar Harbans Singh Khandola, we understand, then all the evils which are happening in the world will finish off. Then I'll not be fleecing you. I'll not be what is happening even in our society today. When we talk about discrimination, I hope, I see that the more discrimination, it is not from the other side. It is we people are exploiting our own people. That will stop. We will not injure someone. We will not hurt someone. When we understand this concept.
What it means to surrender to the hukum, will of God, hukum manana. We need to understand that. What it means. Raja cha rehna, paane cha rehna. What it does mean. We have to take advice from the Gurbani. You know, can't go out of the Gurbani.
Absolutely.
Guru Sahib कहते हैं एको नाम हुक्म है, नानक सतगुर दिया बुझाए जियो. Guru says, नाम की है, live according to the teachings of the Guru. Sri Guru Granth Sahib, attain the virtues. As we discussed before, do not resist the truth. Kudi jam pai, that we don't accept that truth. That's going against the will of God, the laws of nature. Dukhi hai, mainu teri ye kiti manzoor nahi hai. Kudi jampi, ye teri kiti Rabb ji mainu manzoor nahi hai, means we are going against the will of God. We are going against the laws of nature. Ye lejum di jangan. Jeev bimar ho gaya. You know, let's go into a practical situation which I experienced last week. Harpreet ji, छोटे-छोटे बच्चे ने, there are 4 बच्चे छोटे-छोटे, young लड़की, नौजवान, पैड़ा कैंसर ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਦੁੱਖ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਹੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦਾ
ਰਾਈਟ
ਹੁਣ God did not cause the cancer, the young lady. That is what we need to understand.
Right.
And God has shown us the way to how to deal. God has given us the courage, the positive feeling about this.
Ji.
And God has shown us the way how you deal with.
That's
when
right.
we live in this universe, many sloks, many shabd says, but this is the way this world is.
Right.
When we live here, whether it's the genetical factors, whether
Right.
it's the environmental factors,
Ji.
those things are going to happen.
That's
It's not easy. But when we accept that God didn't cause it, God had in fact shows us how to deal with it.
That's very true. And Bani also says, Sadguru sabna da pala manayega.
Pala manayega.
He always is, always thinking good. It is the circumstances which we have created. Like, for example, you talked about cancer today. The result of cancer, whatever researches are being done, it shows that the environmental pollution which we have created, that has a major impact.
We
the
did that.
insecticides, the pesticides and
We did
everything.
that.
We did it, absolutely.
Humans
it's not God.
did that.
Yeah?
So God has shown humans have to fix it.
Right.
Not God is going to come in and fix it.
Ji.
Humans have to fix it.
Right.
God doesn't do harm to anybody. There's a story later on. Let me just relate that. We
Ji.
were going in the car, Harpreet
Ji.
our 6-year grandson. And we were talking about a young lady who was 30-year-old,
Ji.
damaged when she was young. She's about 8-10 years in maturity of the brain.
Okay.
And my wife said, Rohan, ਇਹ ਰੱਬ ਨੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬਣਾਇਆ. The 6-year come back and say, Bibi, ਉਹਨੂੰ Bibi ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ, God is supposed to help us, not punish us.
Very true.
I said, look,
He
a
also can
6-year-old
comprehend
has
it.
the logic.
Absolutely. But that has been put into our minds of that कि जी जो गलत होया और रब नहीं करता. We'll continue with the discussion. Let's take a small break जी. लेने छोटी सी break जी वापस आवांगे discussion चलती रहेगी. देखते रहो The Harpreet Singh Show.